Hi, my name is Nicole Sassaman. Some of you may have visited me in my store on Robertson, and today we're here at my Barbie Penthouse. The reason we call it the Barbie Penthouse is because I bought it from Barbie. She's the daughter of Ruth and Elliot Handler, who started Mattel Toys and came up with Barbie and Ken. And yes, Barbie is a real name. The first thing you notice when you walk in is this fabulous view overlooking all of Los Angeles. From downtown and the full north view overlooking Century City, it's all just stunning. The kitchen is very unexpected, like many things in my design. And I think one of the most interesting elements of it is the panels look like they're apothecary chests. And people are always surprised when we open them and they discover it's the refrigerator in the pantry. People love the rolling ladder, and that's actually really useful because there's a lot of storage up high that's really important when you live in high-rise living. I kind of call that area my garage. La Cornue made that stove custom just for me because they weren't making electric stoves at the time. I personally love mixing the old with the new, but I also like to build things that are unexpected, so you'll always find hidden doors and things in any of my spaces. When I'm entertaining, people are always quick to go to the balcony because they want to see this fabulous view. So usually while I finish up cooking, they're out on the balcony having a drink. Once everyone moves from the patio over to the dining table for dinner, they look up only to see this beautiful Italian glass fixture above them. This fixture was handmade in Italy and flown in just for us. I wanted something really special and unique, but at the same time, I did not want it to interfere with our amazing view. For the dining table, I chose this beautiful slab of white Calcutta marble to offset all of the wood I have in this space that I like to use because it keeps this modern place very warm and feeling. If you follow all of the warm tones of the floor and so forth, it'll lead you to this beautiful bookcase I have that is well lit and curated with all of my favorite things. And to add the cherry on top, I created these glass boxes to insert within the bookcase in order to really highlight all of my very favorite sculptures. When you finally settle yourself into the living room, there are many options that you have here. We all lay here and watch movies all the time or sit and have our coffee in the morning, and it's so nice. And the last stop on the tour is my room. My bedroom is a very nice sized space. It has a very sexy, warm feeling in that room, very simple with the wallpaper and the glass, of course with a bed and a writing desk area to work at. The storage area is one of my favorite things with the big smoky mirrored glass door that slides open. I use it for all of my office equipment, the printer, the papers and everything, but we do it in a very stylish way and no one sees it. Finally, where I like to spend a lot of my time with my family is on my patio. It's such a beautiful view, the north view of Century City, especially at night. We sit out there and have drinks, or in the morning we have our coffees. It's really special. I hope you enjoyed the tour of the Barbie Penthouse and look forward to seeing you next time at our next property.
If you like this video, definitely give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more content, subscribe to Open House TV.